Aniuniek mój pucha.
To suczki.
Notka.
Suczki good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
Good boy, good boy. O, teraz ładnie, nie?
Yeah.
Pozuje.
Suczki pozuje. On lubi pozować.
A gdzie tam o to przypadek taki?
Pozuje, czasem pozuje.
Joj, taka śpiąca dzisiaj.
No czasem człowiek jak się nie wyśpi, to śpi w dzień. Senny w dzień. I w dzień śpi.
Nie, to taki dzień jakiś jest.
No i dzień, i pogoda, i ciśnienie, to wszystko razem.
Ciśnienie to wszystko do kupy. Rano niepotrzebnie wstaje i robi ci śniadanie, wiesz.
Ja.
To niepotrzebnie.
Niepotrzebnie, za wcześnie wstajesz. Ja, za wcześnie wstajesz.
Darek, dlatego, że ja przyzwyczajona u Oli była, wiesz.
Ja.
I to mnie zostało, wiesz.
No.
Bo rano musiałam wstać, to wszystko zrobić. To jeszcze pobiega, to pójść i jeszcze jak nie miałam co, to pójść do metra, tam kupić, przyjść.
Tak.
Wiesz, koty nakarmić.
Ja.
A Ola spała, to wiesz, i to ja mam ten taki nawyk jakiś, ale niepotrzebnie, bo ty jak nie ma, no to sobie Cheerios zrobisz, czy cokolwiek, nie?
Ja.
No. Jutro Cheerios zrób sobie, tak.
Jutro robię Cheerios na śniadanie.
To trzeba.
There are people interested in Zen, and they start to practice Zen sitting meditation and trying to figure it out koans. Some practice Sikantaza, just sitting, alert, mindful. And they wanna get enlightenment. The objective of Zen, the Satori. So there is a practice for everybody. So for beginner, practice only 2 questions. What am I doing right now? I'm doing what I'm doing. And second question is how am I keeping my mind right now, moment to moment? Only don't know. And if you are doing something, you just do it. If you are sitting and speaking, just sitting and speaking. There is only sitting and speaking. If you are writing a letter, there is only writing a letter. And you keep don't know mind. When watching television, reading a newspaper, reading a book, learning something from school book, working in a factory or in the office, you're just doing these things and you keep just don't know mind. Only your concern supposed to be to keeping don't know mind in all occupation, all activities, like that. And second part of this practice is what am I doing right now? Moment to moment, I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm sitting and speaking. I'm scratching my head like this. I'm watching television, watching a movie, walking, speaking to my friend, working, cooking a dinner, eating a breakfast, washing my teeth, laying down, on my sofa, sitting in the armchair, talking, thinking, all of these activities, just do it. And the second part of this question practice is how am I keeping my mind right now, and I'm doing what I'm doing. So if you are doing something, just do it. If you are watching television, just watch television. There is only watching television. If you are reading a book, there is only reading a book. If you are speaking with somebody, with your parents, with your children, with your co-workers, there is only speaking. If you're thinking about something, there is only thinking. There is no attachment to anything. Just do it. Third question, do it. This is true Zen practice. And this Zen practice will lead you, if not to Satori, it will lead you to health. From confused mind, you become clear mind. From lost mind, you will become aware mind, mindful mind. You will become aware of this reality and aware of yourself, like that. This is Zen for beginners, like that. And when you are advanced, there is Zen for advanced people. Have like this. Empty. Like this. Or if you have this, Nivakri, take like this, see? Like this. This is for advanced practitioners. Like this, practice for advanced practitioners. Practice this and you will attain Buddhahood. Like that. Georgie. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. How are you doing? How have you been?
Po polsku do niego.
How are you doing? Do you speak English? Georgios, where are you coming from? Good boy. Good boy.